To use keyboard Clipboard in POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open our keyboard. So click on any text that you want, and that way you should see your keyboard right here. Now you need to click on the clipboard icon right here. If you don't see it, click on those 4 tiles and then look for the clipboard right here. Now if we open it, actually let me make the keyboard a bit bigger because it obstructs some of it. So if we click on the clipboard, you need to turn it on. Then next step is to check all of the clipboard saved things. So by default you will have 4 different tiles that are saved in your clipboard. You can click on each of them and then delete them. Now when we have empty clipboard, we can add different things to our clipboard to instantly copy it and have it saved. So in the search right there, let's type in something like dog. Then we can select this text, copy it, and now we should be able to find this text in our clipboard. So we can click on those 4 tiles and navigate right here. Now you'll be able to paste it in however times you want it to be pasted, and you can see any other clipboards you saved, things you saved in your clipboard right here. So that's how it works, and that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.